Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. In today's video, let's see the recipe of strawberry chocolate brownie, which is eggless and made using whole wheat flour. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. Let's get started with the recipe. To begin with, take some chocolate chips in a bowl. I've taken dark chocolate and also milk chocolate. To this, add some melted butter. Now microwave it for 30 seconds. Stir this until the chocolate gets completely dissolved. Now take some brown sugar or cane sugar in a bowl. Pour in the melted chocolate into this. Add a teaspoon of good quality vanilla extract. Give this a good mix and set it aside. Let's combine the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Add in whole wheat flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and baking soda. Sift them well until there are no lumps. Use a spoon or spatula to give it a good mix. I've also taken some curd in a separate bowl, which I'm gonna whisk to remove any lumps. The curd reacts with the baking soda and makes the brownie moist. Add in the melted chocolate and the sugar mixture into the dry ingredients. If the mixture is too thick, add in some hot water to this. Use a spatula to combine them together. Add in the curd next and mix it again. Add in some more hot water if required. The mixture should not be too very thick nor too watery. The brownie batter is ready. I'm going to transfer that into a baking mold. Line a baking mold with some parchment paper. If you have a non-stick pan, then you need not use the parchment paper. You can just apply some melted butter and pour the batter inside. Use a spatula to spread out the batter evenly. The brownie batter is now ready to go into the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade and bake the brownie for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. In the meantime, let's prepare the strawberry puree. To prepare the puree, take some fresh strawberries. Chop the strawberries into small chunks. Wash the strawberries thoroughly. You can cut out the edges along with the leaves and chop them into small pieces. Transfer the chopped strawberries into a saucepan. Add in some cornstarch or corn flour to this, some powdered sugar, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you do not like the tangy flavor, then you can skip the lemon juice. Add in some water to this. Now start cooking the strawberries on a medium flame. Cook these until they turn soft. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool for some time. The brownie is done and I've taken it out from the oven. Place this on a wire rack until it cools down completely. I added the cooked strawberries into a blender and made it into a fine puree. Pour the strawberry puree on top of the brownie and then spread it evenly. In order to garnish the brownie, I'm gonna cut out some strawberry slices. Take each of the strawberry and cut them into 4 or 5 slices. Now arrange the strawberry slices on top of the strawberry puree. Once done, you will have to refrigerate this for a couple of hours until the strawberry layer is set. The strawberry chocolate brownie is now ready. You can unmold the brownie and then cut it into square pieces. Use a sharp knife to cut out the pieces. I'm gonna plate them now. And use more strawberries to decorate it. These brownies are eggless and made using whole wheat flour, and I have not used Maida in this recipe. Also, these brownies have a tangy and chocolatey flavor from the strawberries and the chocolate. You can keep them refrigerated until they are ready to be served. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. Click below to subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.